Now you want to solve this problem. There is a problem having very 3 lines are there. Then you have to find out the outputs. Here initial value a equal to null minus 1, and then after you have to print the value. We are having an option null, 0, 1 and minus 1. So we have to know that what is the meaning of null, or what is the value of null. If you write down null in capital letter, that means if you are doing this one in the numerical operations, then it considered as 0. So here int a equal to null minus 1. So what will be happening? It is considered as 0 minus 1, that is equals to minus 1. So a will be considered as minus 1. Now we run the code. In the code, just simple it compiles, and I'll check it out. The result is coming to the minus 1. Okay. So our options, whatever options we have given with us, option D is minus 1, that is D is correct.